Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. Everyone will love to go for a vacation to somewhere they want to go. The additional special for the vacation is when you spending some valuable time with your close one. This type of vacation I was went few months ago with my close friends. And the city that I'm showing to you right now is Kuala Lumpur.
Wow.
Kuala Lumpur is capital of Malaysia. In Kuala Lumpur, there are many type of places we can visit. There are parks, there are shopping malls, and many more attractions at here. Today, my friends and I plan to visit some malls in Kuala Lumpur. So let's go. After we drop by the cab, and now we are walking to the mall, and you can see that is the mall. You can see the mall is very big, and I don't know how much I can explore it here, but I will try to record as much as I can to show to you all. The name of this mall is Berjaya Times Square. Inside this mall got many type of shops which is related to fashion, and then got indoor amusement park and many type of entertainments available at here. And I'm first time going to take this type of lift. You can see this one is lift. After we walk for 1 hour plus, we must look for a restaurant to have our lunch. And this is my lunch for that day, chicken rice. The taste was good, and this one was my friend buy. After I have a lunch, we continue to walk, and you can see this one is a piano plus with stairs. Wow. When you walk on the stairs, it will give a sound like a piano, and it's something unique. And you can enjoy this thing just free of charge. There is no additional charges for use these stairs at all. And after that, my friend and I we went to some shops to purchase some items. But I'm sorry I can't take that video. After that, we walk again, and you can see there is a play area for kids. So share with me, when was the last time you went for a vacation? For me, I went to a vacation last month. And yes, you can see how big this area. Then the time is already around 7:30 p.m. and we look for some restaurants to have our dinner. And yes, we spent a lot of time at here, but we still not yet done at here. You can see how big this mall. If you are coming to this mall, you need to come at the morning because we come late around afternoon only we reach at here, so we can't spend much time at here. And this is the outside view from the mall, and this one like a town inside the mall. You see how cute that one. Finally, we come to A and W. So this is what we was bought that time, and the taste. I love the taste as usual. And after for dinner, we back to home. But it's not easy as like that. We need to get the cab driver, but we managed to go to our hostel. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Bye. Thank you for watching.